Hey guys, I found a dead wasp. It was just laying on my deck right here. So I had thought, why not shoot it with the pellet gun? It's a 22 Grizzly Predator. And let's just have a look at this wasp right here. Pretty nasty. I think it wasn't able to get out of the thing right here, so it just died of dehydration and not eating or starving and shit. I don't know. It just died. So yeah, might as well take a shot of it as I shoot it. Are you ready? I just don't want to shoot the deck either. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit! I think it just stopped to lie down. I don't know if you heard that, but you can hear the pellet hit the tree. It's crazy. Now, if I go inside, I can. There's also. I did fly in my bathroom. So. Grab him real quick. Right. Oh my god. Let me turn the light quickly. You probably can't see him, but he's right by the plunger. So we'll just grab that real quick. Oh, there we go. There's the dead fly. Shoot him up. Real nice. Pop a cap in his butt. What? Can't turn off the light. Oh my god. There. Oh, I still have to get a pellet. So I'm to run quickly and grab the pellet. But maybe I can shove them in there. No, I'll see. I don't know if I can. Probably not. Like I said, shove it. So that doesn't mean like fit it and just fucking stuff it in there. Crush it. Oh my god. Wow, it actually fit really good. I don't think I can shove it. Wow. That fit real good. That's good enough. I'll run quickly and oh, I don't know why it's so hard to cock this thing now. That's fucking weird. This is so easy. Anyways, I'm gonna go run and grab one. Alright, I'm back. For this one, I'm going to use just an ordinary one, flat tipped. The other one was pointed, so it's not like it really matters. Yeah, it's still in there. Alright, let's get a good shot of it. And just going to shoot it out with this. 1, 2, 3. I didn't see nothing because I closed my eyes that time. She looks pretty clean, no guts or nothing. Huh. Anyways, just fooling around. Catch you in the next video. See ya.